Hello everyone, it's me Lesson11. I'm back, and today we will be reviewing what we have learned up until now from HTML basics. So as you can see, I have opened final.html here because this is the final lesson. It's lesson 08. In the project file we have an image folder with 3 images, 123.jpg, and we have this final.html which is opened in Notepad++, and we have it opened in Chrome right here. Now, so today we're going to create a simple little page. It's just going to have a table that has 2 rows, and each row has 3 columns. In the first row, the first 3 columns are going to be the 3 images I showed you, and the second row, the 3 columns in the second row will have a heading, a paragraph, and just some list, ordered or unordered, who knows. So it's just something random, just to play around and see how it looks. So it's just going to be review. So let's just create a table really quickly, and in here we need the t head and t head. For now this might look really simple to you, and it actually is, because we're not yet using any CSS, but we will be later on. There will be much more interesting projects that I will be making later on. As soon as I completely upload the PHP, CSS, JavaScript courses. So yeah, so let's continue on. Table data. So in here I want to create a image, src equals, and in here I want to add, let's see, image /1.jpg, and let's just say it's going to, well, let's just say it like this. I think we will have to modify the width of this. So I just added one image to see. Yeah, it's too huge. We're going to make it smaller, so we're going to modify the width to be 50 pixels and height to be 50 pixels. Okay, now I'm just going to copy and paste this 3 times, and I'm going to add the second and third image. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there we have it. It's looking good now. Maybe we could have made it 100 pixels. Oh, that's 1000. So 100. Let's just copy and paste this here. That's Control-C, Control-V if you didn't know. There we have it. That's a bit bigger and easier to see. So let's create another row right here, and here we're not going to use the images, we're going to use a paragraph in the first one, just to remind ourselves how to make paragraphs, I guess. So this is a paragraph. Oh my god, smiley face. No, wait, smiley face. Here I want to use a h1 tag, so we're going to create a heading, and we're just going to say hello, smiley face. And in the last one we're just going to create a unordered list, for example. Let's just create an unordered list. So let's say list item, and in here I'm going to say hello1 smiley face, and then just copy and paste this and say hello2. Now if I refresh, yeah, there we go. So we have those 2 things, and let's just say hello in here as well, just so we can see the difference. Yeah, that's a bit better. And now let's create the table row in here. Whoops, I have to use the closing tag there. And in here I want to say span equals 3 because we have 3 rows, and I want this to span across all three columns, sorry. And I want to add a title like review, yeah. So let's see how that's gonna look. Okay. And what else did I forget? Of course, we have to modify the border so that it looks like something. 1 pixel, solid, and black. And now if you refresh, you get this beautiful table. So that's it for today. We have reviewed a little bit of what we have learned up until now, and in the next course I will be uploading will be on CSS, so stay tuned for that. We're going to go much more in depth on modifying these things, centering them, aligning them, changing the colors, changing all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for that, and see you guys in the next tutorial.